So good day guys, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be talking about envelope. So what envelope means is, for example, we have about 26, look at it here, load combinations. We have about 26 different load combinations. So the problem is when we run our analysis and we want to check the maximum load combination, because let me come to this plan. Sorry, let me close this and come to the plan. Let's go to the base, the ground floor. Okay, so this is what we have now. Maybe UDCON 1 might be the ultimate in this point, UDCON 2 might be the ultimate here, UDCON 24, UDCON 16, UDCON 12, different UDCONs, but we can't be checking it one by one. Let's check the result of UDCON. So it takes a little while, so that's why we create envelope. So let's come here, define, let's go to load combinations and come here, add new combo. So let's say we want to create the ultimate combo. Okay, so the combination type, let's choose envelope, because if you choose linear add, it's going to be adding everything and it's going to be uneconomical. So it's going to be an envelope. So select this and let's add our 26 members there. So the first one we have is UDCON 1, right? So we have UDCON 1. So you just add everything there. So let's start UDCON 1. Okay, so this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. Okay, so we have 16 more to go. So we've created the ultimate combo. We can click OK. So you can see the name here, ultimate combo. So you can see everything as I highlighted it, the combination on it. So look at this. Now let's see what UDCON 26 is. So UDCON 26 is 1 dead, 1 super dead, and minus in the negative EQY. Now some people, they create different EQs. So because of the eccentricity, you have positive and negative eccentricity. So they can create 3 different, but to me, I believe it's just creating multiple load cases. Okay, so we are done with that. Next thing I want to do now is to create my envelope for my service. Okay, service envelope, or whatever name you want. So but the most important thing is a combination type. So we have the first envelope we have is dead plus live. The next envelope we have is this, 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 and this. Okay, so you can click OK for that. We have the service and the ultimate combination. So you can also modify your combinations. If you don't want to use this, you can change them the way you want. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video. In the next video, we'll be talking about the support type. Thank you very much.